So this is a BMW 2008 320i, and I've just, as you can see, I've replaced the halo or the angel eyes with the white LED from the standard yellow bulb that it comes with. Now you'll notice that this is flashing on this video, but it actually isn't. When I'm looking at it now, there's no flashing going on. I think it's something to do with the LED light that's making it flicker on the video, but in truthfulness it's not doing any of that. And I'll just show you how to swap that over. One garage was quoting me over £110 just to take the bumper off to fix that on, which is ridiculous, and I'll show you how to do that now. First thing you need to do is take this little cover off this thing over here, and it just pops out using a screwdriver on these two holes over here. Easy enough. That has come off just using a screwdriver on those 2 points, and that lifts up to reveal the headlights. So first thing you'd want to do is, now this can be a bit complicated, but you can see just this headlight over here. It just needs to be turned, let me see now, you're clockwise, you're shifting towards the right, and that should come out. Once that's come out, you can just shimmy it out so you've got access to the actual headlight. Once that is out, you just want to take off these two clips on either side of the bulb, and that would come out. So as my LED bulbs, I decided to get these Cree LED headlight for the BMW E92, and as you can see, it has 6 LEDs there, 6 LEDs there for 12 LEDs. You can get some cheaper for about 8 LEDs, but I decided to go for the most powerful one I can get, so I want it to light up both of the halo eyes. Now, the only thing about this is, as you can see, this unit is rather big compared to the actual headlight that it usually comes with. I've already fitted it on the right hand side, but on this, just wanted to show you, all of this needs to fit inside there, and this LED headlamp unit needs to fit inside that hole there. So this is the only tricky bit. I would recommend putting this bit in first, and then putting the rest of this unit underneath, and then connecting the connector. Now, as you can see, both headlamp units have been fitted with the white LED angel eyes or halo lights. As I said, you can see a flickering LED image, but this is not visible with the naked eye. It's just a solid ring of light. Now, the only downside I say to this, and a few other people have mentioned this, is I got the most powerful LED unit available, and truth be told, you can just about see the white light on the outer ring if you're directly facing it, and obviously in the dark, but in the daylight, especially from this angle, you can't really see it. You can only see it on the inner ring light where the LED unit is fitted, whereas with the stock yellow halogen lights, you can see it in both rings fairly clearly. So that's the only downside, I'd say. Other than that, it looks pretty equal, especially with the full headlights on, which I'll show you in just a minute. That looks, in my opinion, a lot better than the yellow and the white light mixed together. As I said, ignore the flickering, it's not what you can see in real life.